Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin. That is basically a marketing tool for your Shopify store, e-commerce website, or for any business, and you can use to write full blog posts or social media content by providing a URL. Right before I will show you an actual example on how to use the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin where I also share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. So if you're interested in more details about this plugin, make sure to check out the article linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, you have to make sure that the plugins feature is enabled in your account. So then you're going to be able to select the plugins model when you select GPT-4 from the model selector, because this is of course necessary to be able to enable the Speedy Marketing plugin. Of course, at the time of recording this video, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription to be able to use GPT-4 and the plugins. Once GPT-4 is selected, you have to install the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin. If you cannot see it in the installed list, you have to scroll down, click on Plugin Store, search for Speedy Marketing and install the plugin. And last but not least, once you have installed the plugin, you also have to enable the plugin to be able to interact with the plugin in ChatGPT. And you can enable the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so let's see an example on how to use the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin. I've opened up this MVMT e-commerce website, which is an e-commerce website about luxury watches and sunglasses and stuff like that. And let's say we have this product page and we want to write a full blog post to promote this ceramic watch. Then all we have to do is get the URL of this product page and pasting that product page to ChatGPT and add a prompt something like this: create an SEO optimized blog post that can be used to promote this product, and click on send message here. So as you can see, by simply providing a URL and a natural language instruction, ChatGPT is able to understand that it has to use the Speedy Marketing ChatGPT plugin, so you don't have to use any kind of function or anything else like that. And it has sent the URL to the plugin and we have received back an SEO optimized blog post. So this is the one we get back. So as you can see, it also has markdown language, so we can just copy paste this blog post right into our Shopify blog or WordPress website blog or any website you have. And this is quite good, as you can see here. Of course, you can change the prompt if you want to make this longer or you want to create a social media post about this watch instead. But this is a very useful marketing and SEO ChatGPT plugin that you can use. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that can be used for marketing, SEO, content writing, business, finance, cryptocurrencies, scientific research, website building, web development, then I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials on my YouTube channel and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.